Hello everyone, this is Devitra from Pension Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So after having Puja, Durga Puja, after having Diwali, today I came back with a new masterclass, new session, and Alok side is with us. So right now we are going to talk about something that is very interesting and very informative for all of you guys. That is about the master class which is going to happen in our Bengaluru center. So hi sir, this is Devitra.
Hi Devamita, good evening.
Good evening, Anushka.
Okay, how you spent Diwali?
Yeah, it was very good. I spent my Diwali with my family members and it was great.
Okay, so let us start. Okay,
Yeah,
post puja, we are going to start so many master class session and some exciting matters. We are going to start some offline planning. So I want to share with you
yes, yes,
what is
sir. We
going.
wanted to know. So,
Yes.
sir, what is called master class? Why this master class is going to happen? Can you tell us about that?
So master class, it is a planning for 3 hours longer session. So that an audience they can get a end-to-end concept, end-to-end roadmap,
Mm-hmm.
and clear clarifications. Suppose a fresher want to come to a new path in Salesforce. They
Mm-hmm.
have heard lots of noise in the social media, YouTube's and okay, so different portal also,
Mm-hmm.
but they do not have a crystal clear. They want to hear from industry leader
Mm-hmm.
and who have spent years after years, and okay, how will be their proper roadmap, how will be the career scope, how will be their salary package if they migrate from any other technology. So
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason it called master class. This offline master class will be it is a packed session with the informations to guiding, mentoring, and
Okay, so
also
this
real-time
master
simulation.
class is going to happen in offline mode.
Yes, this master session will be happen in offline, and in
Okay.
Bangalore, what I have noticed,
Mm-hmm.
there is a to upgrade in the Salesforce. Only few institutes are there, when which is not effective.
Enough
So,
also.
yes.
Yes.
So now PCS Global
Mm-hmm.
going to play the role, bigger role to guide
Mm-hmm.
okay the newcomers, even who are industry partners, even who are in Salesforce, they want to migrate in the different Salesforce ecosystem, different module, different
So,
new
sir,
technology.
what the target people or who will be uh, benefited by this master class? For whom
Yes.
we are going to conduct this?
Okay. First of all, today it is today's time. Salesforce is going to create the huge impact in our IT industry. As per
Yes,
Salesforce has its
we
own
know that
target,
Salesforce.
11 million job creation
Yes,
in across the
very big
globe,
technology.
and in our country, India
Mm-hmm.
is the largest okay software engineer producer. So
True.
here and Bangalore is a hub. Every part of the country resources are coming here. They have a dream to build a good career in a
Mm-hmm.
emerging technologies. So here, purpose of these master sessions to clarify the all doubts, all questions among freshers. Again, what is the roadmap? What is the career scope? What are the prerequisite for the freshers? Especially here, freshers are the one of the biggest target of
There is
this
loads
master.
of questions about Salesforce. Like, is it a technology where we need to learn coding? If we not we need to learn coding, in which part it is needed? Without, or some people says that without having coding knowledge, you can learn Salesforce. So all those doubts will be cleared in that masterclass, right?
Yes,
Okay.
especially for freshers, they have a many body have a concept
Mm-hmm.
that I want to avoid okay coding. So Salesforce will be good fit for you. Someone have a doubt. So I am a
Mm-hmm.
good coder, but is Salesforce will be just okay remove my coding skill set? No. So it is a Salesforce is a very big ecosystem, and
Mm-hmm.
where it can be fit for everybody needs. Okay,
Okay.
so it is a fit for each and every okay IT aspirants, career aspirants, they can fit for. Second, our target audience are who are IT professionals. Suppose who are working 5 years in Java J2E technology, who are working in the 5 years in others technology, or 10 years they have spent other skill set. So they
Mm-hmm.
want to change because IT industry to for career growth. every IT professionals have to change, have to upgrade
themselves.
per year. Okay, at least few new technology need to upgrade. So
Mhm.
here there are also IT professionals who are experienced professionals. They are also a primary target. They have a lots of queries, questions, and they want to learn from persons who have year after year spent with this technology. So here my role will be clarify the all doubt, queries, questions to industries professionals who are already spending in different technology, and they want to upgrade their cross skilling now in Salesforce. So they
Okay,
want
so
to
who are the
journey to
already
Salesforce.
in that industry, IT industry, but wanted to upskill themselves or wanted to switch in another technologies? This
Yes,
masterclass will be beneficial for them also.
yes. Third category audience, even
Mhm.
many resource in IT industry, suppose someone is working in a company in Salesforce in admin,
Mhm.
but he do not have a scope in the same project to upgrade the other technologies like Salesforce LWC or Salesforce
Right, right.
Marketing Cloud
Yes.
or Commerce
Mhm.
Cloud.
Mhm.
But for they are also target audience for this masterclass. Okay, how they switch to Salesforce who is working in admin. He want to migrate to Commerce Cloud. Today, Commerce Cloud is the most demanding market.
Yes.
Who want to migrate to Marketing Cloud? Who want
Mhm.
to migrate to Salesforce Omni Studio Velocity? So
Mhm.
the things is who are working in the Salesforce, even they can attend this session so that they can also change. Okay, they can upgrade in the new area of the Salesforce also. Again,
Mhm.
many resource I have seen, they know the Salesforce, but today's without DevOps, okay, they cannot work. So Salesforce, how DevOps with the Salesforce, how that combination will be happen, how
Okay.
DevOps is necessity with the Salesforce. Many resources they are working, the initial level learners, they do not know how to integration. So Salesforce admin, okay, they have learned.
Mhm.
PD1 they have learned, but how all things will be integration. The Salesforce integration part, they have a lots of queries and doubts. So their things will be also clear in the
It
master
will be
class.
cleared in the master session.
Yes,
Wow, this is a great opportunity for the candidate who has already knowledge in Salesforce, who wanted to learn Salesforce, and who has that interest in Salesforce. Everyone will be benefited by this uh, training or master class, right?
yes,
So, sir, what is the venue of this master session? Where it's going to be
yes.
conducted in Bangalore?
Yes, it is our venue, our office is in the heart of the Bangalore city. That's
Okay.
Koramangala. So here I want to give the guideline. If
Mm-hmm.
anybody visit PCS Global website, they
Mm-hmm.
can visit the PCS Global site. Okay, I am sharing the location also in screen. Okay, for everybody, uh, how they can visit. Okay, let me share screen. Okay.
Okay. So, guys, we're going to see the location for our Bengaluru office.
Okay, so they need to open our website,
Yeah,
and
when you
after this,
go in our website, you will get to know.
contact us, and then 57 by 65 Chikkalokimaya layout, okay, HSR Main Road,
Council Main Road.
Bangalore, okay, it is it, Bangalore 29. So now I want to give a clear guidance how they will come here. So if someone is coming from, suppose, Whitefield, so if they come to by public transport, have to come to Agara and need to change and need to 342 bus or 342 F and need to step down at Christ University bus stop. Okay.
Okay.
And if it is a Christ University bus stop, just need to cross opposite foot and then again back to towards Forum, need to come to, okay, it's a Shine Stay Hotel and same inside, okay, road, 2 minutes distance, then opposite beyond health medical clinic, our office is there. Okay,
Okay. Sir,
beyond it,
what is the timing for this master class?
okay, we kept this masterclass timing in coming Sunday at 11. In PCS Global, the moment you may be here, Sunday is a Salesforce day for PCS Global.
Yes,
So
yes. I
entire
know.
country who have an aspiration for
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce. So Sunday, I try to share my knowledge as much as possible, mentoring, guidance. It's a, from morning to night. So different slots are there. So
Mm-hmm.
anybody who are freshers, who are experienced person, who are industry professional. Even many of my Salesforce friends also, they are working year after year. They all get connected. So we celebrate TCS Global as a Salesforce Day. Even
Salesforce
we
Day.
invite some eminent experienced person in Salesforce. They also be a part of this organization, and they will also join in this master session. And today you will be happy to hear I got a our one person. He's in Cognizant, but currently on site in Netherlands, and he wants to join part of with our organization as a
Okay.
part-time consultant or support to our, because of the he is inspired with the mission and visions what we are
Uplifting
contributing
people.
toward the society
Yes.
for upliftment of the youths for their career employment. And Salesforce is a special area for TCS Global, and we are going to be a legal partner for the Salesforce very soon.
Yes, yes.
That's the reason we
As a
want to
partner with
build
Salesforce.
more Salesforce resource. So
Mhm.
across the location, beyond the boundaries, but this event is dedicatedly for any college students in Bangalore, any IT professionals, but seat is very limited. So you need to proudly book with a Google form attached with this video. So it is a seat is limited. So everybody, it is a first come
Yeah,
first.
yes,
Basis.
because at first you need to fill the Google form without having your information. It is difficult for us to give you the opportunity to join this master session. So either we are going to conduct it in offline mode. So for that, the infrastructure and the place, that accommodation matters. So kindly fill the Google form as fast as possible, because the first only those people will get the opportunity who will fill the form on time, right? And the first come first serve sir has already said that. So Alok sir, can you tell me one thing? If someone is wanted to join Salesforce but not getting the motivation about it, so either this master class will be helpful for him or her also.
Yes, what actually happens, okay, in my long years of experience as a trainer,
Mhm.
it depends upon the mentor, it depends upon the coach, okay, how and which way to
Exactly.
demonstrate, because creation of the among associates and interest to generate interest, that is also a strategy of a trainer, and it is a some skills. So here you also aware that actually in TCS I have year after year, I have executed the training for TCS associates,
Yes.
admin, video on, even who never done coding, who fear coding. I told that when you are going to start Salesforce video on, and you may be freshers, but when you will be in, you will be a super expert. Even I have noticed my associate, trained associate, they become a Salesforce Commerce Cloud expert. They become JavaScript expert. So I always try to train even okay among their level, among them. So definitely I assure all of the associates, okay, share, come here, okay, meet with me. I will bring change your lives as much as possible. Okay, with my level
True.
best effort. Again, I want to inspire okay many students in Bangalore. Okay, so who are students, who are freshers, if you are looking for better career, so Salesforce, may take some time, because PCS Global not only will be building, it will be nurturing, because until unless you will be in another MNC. So this master session
Yes,
will
yes.
be convert to a build your career. So one visit is on a single meet can bring a
Change
change in
your
your
life.
life.
Exactly. So, as per my knowledge, I know that sir has done 18 years in TCS and worked with several people. He has provided the training for the industry people also. So, guys, kindly don't waste time. What he has said, that is the best thing for you. Why? Because at first you need to create that interest. If you don't have that interest, without having a proper guidance, without having a proper hand holding, you that interest is not going to be created. So whoever wanted to work in Salesforce, kindly attend this session and it will be beneficial for you. You will get to know about how it works, what are the process of working in Salesforce and about technology. So it's my appeal to everyone can be join his session and it will be helpful for everyone. So sir, do you want to say something?
Yes, my message to all freshers. Okay. Even from my own experience, I have joined in Salesforce in my late in my career. But the things is, even I have some misconception about the Salesforce. Salesforce is not a sales actually. So that is the
Yeah,
first misconception. And Salesforce, it is if you love coding, it is a very sweet programming language called Apex. Salesforce, what is the beauty? All programming language, there is a very good name. Next is it is a LWC Lightning Web Component. Okay, so it's a really easy, and it's a value worthy, and you can build your dream career in Salesforce. So my wish, all of you, build your career in Salesforce, and it is the highest paid technology in the market, and it can change your life, okay, in a very short span of period. And this is global with you to handle you, mentor you, guide you, and we will not let you, okay, until unless you'll be stand upon your own strength.
great.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this was about the Salesforce masterclass that is going to be conducted in offline in our Bengaluru office. Kindly visit and get the best from our side. So bye for now. I will connect with you any other time. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and do comment below.
Thank you.